Correction of error. Payment to supplier $7,000 omitted from the records. So we paid to the supplier. So supplier supposed to be decreased. Means liability supposed to be decreased. You know rules for liability. When liabilities increase, they are credited. When liabilities decrease, they are debited. We paid to the accounts payable means supplier. So here supplier must be decreased. Okay. So here supplier means accounts payable will be debited. Okay. And we paid in cash or by check. It is not mentioned. Let us consider as a bank transaction. So here our bank balance will be decreased. Okay. Bank is an asset. Asset decreased. The rules for asset. When asset decreases, they are credited. When increase, they are debited. Here asset decreased means bank balance decreased. So here bank account will be credited by $7,000.